hearing about your film, like you're doing a film with Sanjay Gupta.
Yes.
Little bit about it.
Yeah, this time I have something validly to talk about because, yes, the last 2 years you'll have been meeting me and I've been discussing scripts. But you know, and I'm sure everybody who's been a mother will recognize that we don't realize time flying by us because there's so much going on, so many milestones in the growth of your child, and I love investing my time and energy completely with Aradhya. So time has flown, and I was constantly trying to, fix in and zero in on a go-ahead for starting work on film. And because I was also very busy with endorsements, you all meet me, so you all know, it's been taking up a lot of my time. But yes, Sanjay was saying December, Sanjay Gupta, but I've said Jan. I said let's start in January, let's roll, because I'd rather use this time for planning and getting it all together. And then by January we should roll. I'm very, very excited for Jazba. It's a very interesting team coming together, and that's going to be the first one that we're rolling with. And there are other directors also. I have okayed scripts on. I mean, it's not just in talks. Now it's an okay and a go-ahead. But I did speak to them, and I think it would be more. And I was wondering whether I should announce them today. But with due respect to the directors I'm going to be working with, I shall do it with them ahead. So I don't think we should just do it all today, because I should do it with them. So today we'll talk about Sanjay Gupta's is already out there, announced. You all already know it in the media, but the other announcements I'll do it with the directors. But it's an exciting, busy year ahead, and God give me the energy, and it's going to be multitasking on another level.
Are you also doing a lot of action in Jazba, and can we see you finally doing some nice songs and dancing in the film?
आपने तो सारी ingredients बोल दिए, everything that makes for a Hindi film. So God willing, there is opportunity. But it's important for us to stay also true to narratives of the films we're doing. During the course of the year, in the mix of the work that I'm doing, you'll get to see all the ingredients of Hindi cinema and the kind of work I have done. But it may not all be in one film, they'll all be in a couple of movies.